The bottom of your quad pack, the reason why the guys like the end plugs, they can just take the sod staples there. They go right through the lip real nice. The pipe's going to want to coil. After being rolled up, it's just going to want to coil on you. So the two bottom pipes, we put the end plugs in and then use the sod staples. Stick them right into the clay or whatever your ground is. This makes it real easy and nice to work with. But that's a question that we've had. A lot of people that are starting to build the quad packs are like, hey, how are you guys, you know, keeping them nice and tight and laying flat? Well, the guys are stapling, you know, they're just pinning the end plugs on the two bottom ones. Then once they get the top ones in place, we're taking the string that's on the Boffman tile is really nice string. It's real strong. We actually use that to hold the quad pack together. So between the sod staples and the nylon string, nice and strong. All right, guys, until the next video.